Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. So in this session, we are looking into the topic for blood relations for SSC CGL exam. Now before we move into the questions, do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, that is Time for Bank SSC CGL, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for all the notifications of videos we upload in our channel. Right. Okay. So the first question, he says in a certain code language. So he has given some symbols. So symbols are introduced, or symbols are used for giving some relations here. So A plus B means A is the mother of B. Then A minus B means A is the father. A dollar B means A is the son. A percentage B means A is the sister of B. A by B means A is the wife of B. And A equals B means A is the brother of B. Now is asking which of the following means A is the daughter of K. So we need A to be a daughter. A daughter is a female. So I am putting a circle around the alphabet to denote as a female, and I'll put a square around it if it is a male for easy representation. That is how we look into. So square means a male and a circle around the alphabet means a female, just for representation purpose. Okay, right. So this is how I need. In which among these four I am going to get that. So first thing is you have to understand that the gender of A is defined here. The gender of A is a female. Correct. Now when you look at the first one, he says A plus K. What does plus means? Mother. So A is a mother. Okay. But then the point is I need A is the daughter of K, correct? That is what is given. A is the daughter of K. But what is happening here? Look at it. A plus K means what? A is the mother of K. I want A as a daughter of K. Here I am getting A is a mother of K. So I can straight away rule out the first option. Even though the gender is a match, the relation is reversed. I want A as a daughter of K, but here I am getting A as a mother of K. So that is ruled out. Correct. Now look at the second one. I have K and A equals D here. So what is equals means? Equals means brother. Means A is a brother of D. Then there is a gender mismatch. Are you understanding the point? So I can also rule out the second one. So like this, you have to be very, smart in looking at and eliminating the option. So I can rule out the first option here, then I can rule out the second option here, correct? Now when you look at the third one is K plus A. When I say K plus A, plus is mother, so I am getting K is a mother of A, okay. But then I also need to know the gender of A by B, by is wife, so A is the wife of P. So if I look at the third option, okay, so I am going to directly look into the third one. Okay, so I have K plus A means K is a mother to A. Then we have A by P. By means wife. So A is a wife of P. So A is a wife to P. That should be more than sufficient for me to say I am getting A is a daughter of K. So I can straight away say that third option definitely matches. Only we can do up until here to decide what is the relation given, and you don't have to completely work out everything and then only check and work on. Are you understanding the point? So see what is asked in the question, what is the relation that is asked in the question, and based on that see who is a male or a female, and then see what is it that I can do to answer that. Okay, so first the gender matching should happen. Once the gender matching happens, is the relation matching? No, that is the first option ruled out. So second option, gender mismatch, ruled out. In the third option, definitely I am getting K is the mother of A and A is the wife of P. So I am going to get A is a daughter of K. So third is what we look into. Understood? Okay. So in the fourth one also, here we have this A by P is A is the wife of P. Then what is K equals? equals is brother. K is a brother of A, means A is a sister of K. So in the fourth one, okay, you don't have to check it, I am just explaining. I am getting K is a brother of A and A is a wife of P. Okay, so here I am getting A as a sister of K. I don't want sister, I want daughter. A is a daughter of K. So that's precisely what I am looking at. Okay, so that's how we work this out. Got it? Right. Then next, yeah, again in a certain code language we have R plus T means R is the sister of T, R minus T means R is the father of T, R asterisk T means R is the wife of T, and R divided by T means R is the mother of T. Now is asking, based on the above, how is F related to C if you have this expression? Now we need to construct a family tree for this. So it does not matter what format of question is given, as long as it is blood relations, the best way to answer them is by constructing a family tree. Okay, so let's start with this. So we have A plus B minus C. So A plus B means A is the sister of B. Then B minus C means B is the father of C. So we have A is the sister of B, so they are siblings, and B is the father of C, a male, correct? Then C divided by D, division is mother, so C is a mother to D, okay? So C is a mother to D, correct? Then D asterisk E, asterisk is wife, so D is the wife of E. So we have D is a wife of E, so E is a male, they are a couple, right? Then we have E minus F, so minus is father, so E is the father to F, and F division, division is mother, F is the mother of G. So E is a father to F, okay? So E is a father to F, right? And then we have F divided by G, division is F is the mother of G. So F is a mother to G. So this is how I get the relation. Now what is the question? The question is, how is F related to C? So between F and C, I need a relation, because the question is how is F related? I need to check from C, the other person. Okay. So from the other person means from C I have to check. So from C, if I have to go, first I will go to D, who's the daughter, and from the daughter I will go to F, who is again a daughter. So how is F related? Daughter's daughter. Daughter's daughter is granddaughter, and yeah, daughter's daughter is available in second option, granddaughter. Okay, so constructing a family tree gives you your answer, choice 2. This is how you get it. Okay, then next, similar, in a certain code language we have A plus B is A is the son of B, A minus B is A is the sister of B, A into B is A is the brother of B, and A divided by B is A is the mother of B. Then again, based on the above, how is T related to P if this is the given expression? Now again I have to construct a family tree. So here we have P divided by Q into R. Divided by Q is mother, into is brother. Okay, so P is the mother of Q and Q is the brother of R. So P is a mother of Q and Q is a brother to R. Okay, so P is a mother to both Q and R. Then what else we have? R minus M plus T. So R minus is R is the sister of M, M plus T is M is the son of T. So R is the sister of M and M is the son of T. So R is a sister to M and M is a son of T. So now M is already a son to P, now M is also a son to T. So T will be the husband of P. So that's how we get this relation. Now based on this, we need to look at what is asked, how is T related to P? So because he's asking how is T related, from the other person you check, means from P you check. So from P, how is T related? The answer directly is husband. It's a direct relation, correct? And husband is given in choice 2. That's our answer. Okay, yeah. Then next, right, again in a certain code language, A hash B means A is the sister of B, A at the rate B means A is the son of B, A ampersand B means A is the wife of B, A percentage B means A is the father of B, right? And then he says, how is Q related to R if? So you again have an expression, we'll construct a family tree, we'll get our answer, right? So we start with P ampersand Q, ampersand is wife. So we have P is the wife of Q, okay. So we have P is a female, wife of Q. So Q is a male, they are a couple, okay. Then Q percentage L, percentage is father. So Q is a father to L. So both P and Q are parents of L. Then we have L hash R. Hash means sister. L is a sister to R. Then ampersand K. Ampersand is wife of K. So L is a sister to R and R is a wife of K. So L is a sister to R, siblings, and R is a wife of K. So R is a female, K is the husband. So that's how we get our family tree. Okay. Now based on this, the question is, how is Q related? That means from the other person you check. From R you have to check. So from R we'll have to look into Q. So from R, again it's a direct relation. The answer you get is father, because for both L and R, Q is the father, and that is available in option 1, right? Okay. Then next, in a certain code language, A plus B means A is the brother of B, A minus B means A is the father of B, A into B means A is the mother of B, A divided by B means A is the wife of B. And then he says, based on the above, how is P related to T if, and you have this expression. Okay, so let's see. So P into Q, into is mother, then Q plus R, plus is brother. So P is a mother to Q and Q is a brother to R. So P is a mother to Q and Q is a brother to R. They are siblings. Okay. Then we have R divided by S and S minus T. R is the wife of S and S minus is father of T. So R is the wife of S and S is the father of T. So R is the wife of S. So they are a couple, and S is the father of T. So the gender of T here is unknown. Okay. Now what is the question? How is P related? So from the other person you check, means from T I have to check how is P related. So from T you go to R first, that is mother, and from R you go to P, that is again a mother. So mother's mother we can call grandmother, correct? So grandmother, yeah, it is given as mother's mother. So choice 2. Okay. Right. Then next, yes, again in a certain code language, A plus B means A is the mother of B, A minus B means A is the brother of B, A into B means A is the wife of B, and A divided by B means A is the father of B. And then he says, based on the above, how is 5 related to 3 if, and you have this expression. Okay, let's take this. So we have 5 minus 2, minus is brother, so 5 is a brother of 2. So 5 is a male, a brother to 2, they are siblings. Okay. And then we have 2 into 4 divide by 3. So into is wife, so 2 is a wife of 4 and divide is father. 4 is the father of 3. So 2 is a wife of 4 and 4 is a father of 3. So 2 is a wife, female of 4 and 4 is the husband, so male, and 4 is the father of 3. But then again the gender of 3 is unknown for us, correct? Right. Now, the question, how is 5 related? Is asking how is 5 related? So from 3 we have to check. So from 3, how is 5 related? So first you go to 2, who's the mother, and from the mother you go to 5, who's the brother. So mother's brother we call uncle, correct? And uncle, yeah, instead he has given mother's brother, that is first option. So it does not matter any question given in blood relations, construction of family tree is important. So for that, 2 things you have to understand, all the relations that are there and the stages of the relations, the hierarchy of the family, which relations come at what stages, because then it becomes very easy to understand the family tree, you can construct it and answer the questions. Okay, so choice 1. Right. Okay, so those were the questions you had under this blood relations. Right. Now, I am again reiterating, please do join or subscribe to our YouTube channel, Time for Bank SSC CGL, for all Bank SSC CGL, Insurance, Railway and other related exams. And we have our social media handles and the links are provided here for Telegram, YouTube, Instagram and Facebook, and the links are given in the description box. And for classroom coaching, do contact your nearest time center, and for online courses you can enroll at t4e.info/bank-ssc online. Okay. All right. So that concludes this session. Hope it is understood. We made some progress here. So thank you all for attending this session. Have a great rest of the day. Goodbye.